Planning your purchases may seem like a tedious task, but the truth is that it is one of the best ways to save money and time. When you plan, you can avoid impulse purchases, take advantage of deals, and make sure you don't lack anything in your pantry. The key is to make a list of what you really need before you go to the supermarket. In addition, researching the offers of different establishments and comparing prices can result in big savings. In this scene, we'll explore how to start planning your purchases and what the most significant benefits are. The first step in planning your purchases is to identify your needs and priorities. This involves reviewing what you already have at home and making a list of what you really need. Avoid impulsive purchases that can unbalance your budget. For this, it is helpful to have a master list of essential products that you use regularly and update it weekly. Additionally, it's important to distinguish between needs and wants to ensure your purchases align with your budget. Researching deals and coupons can be time-consuming, but the benefits are worth it. Use apps and websites that aggregate coupons and deals from various supermarkets. You can also subscribe to store newsletters to receive exclusive discounts. Don't forget to check out the weekly brochures that are usually available in physical stores and online. Taking advantage of these offers can lead to significant savings on your shopping bill. To use coupons effectively, it's important to understand some basic strategies. First, organize them by categories and due dates. This will help you ensure that they do not expire before being used. Second, combine them with existing offers to maximize discounts. Third, check the coupon policies of the supermarkets you frequent, as some stores allow the use of multiple coupons for a single item. And lastly, don't buy something just because you have a coupon if you don't really need it. Planning weekly menus is a great way to make sure you buy only what you need and avoid waste. By being clear about what you will cook each day, you can make an exact list of ingredients. This practice not only helps save money, but also helps you have a more balanced and varied diet. Spend one day a week planning your meals, reviewing what ingredients you already have, and writing down what you need to buy. Also, try to include recipes that use similar ingredients to get the most out of your purchases. Buying in bulk can be a very effective strategy for saving money, especially on non-perishable products such as rice, pasta, legumes, and cereals. When purchasing in larger quantities, the price per unit is usually lower. However, it is important to properly store these products to prevent them from deteriorating. Plus, taking advantage of 2-for-1 deals or volume discounts can also help reduce your expenses. Impulse purchases are one of the biggest enemies of saving. To avoid them, it is essential to go to the supermarket with a shopping list and stick to it. It's also wise to avoid shopping when you're hungry, as you're more likely to buy things you don't really need. Another strategy is to set a budget and carry only the money you need, avoiding the use of credit cards for minor purchases. Price comparison apps are very useful tools to ensure you get the best price possible. These apps allow you to scan barcodes, compare prices between different stores, and find the best deals near you. Some even let you know when products you buy frequently are on sale. Reviewing your receipts after shopping is an essential practice to make sure you haven't accidentally overpaid. Sometimes supermarket systems can make mistakes, and a simple check can save you money. In addition, reviewing your receipts helps you keep more precise control of your expenses and identify possible areas for improvement. Finally, evaluating and adjusting your purchasing habits is crucial to continue saving and improving your planning. This involves regularly reviewing your spending, identifying patterns, and adjusting your shopping list and strategies accordingly. You may discover that certain products are not as necessary as you thought, or that there are better alternatives for some of them. Applying shopping planning and couponing to your everyday life can make a big difference in your monthly budget. For example, imagine that every week you save $10 by using coupons and deals. At the end of the year, you will have saved more than $500. In addition, planning allows you to lead a more organized and less stressful life. By knowing exactly what you need to buy, you can avoid last-minute purchases and ensure you always have what you need at home. Today, we explore practical examples of how shopping planning can benefit your daily life and how you can start implementing these habits today. To help more people, don't forget to share, subscribe to continue learning, and like so it reaches more people.